back to my channel Ranju's Chef Giri. Today I am going to show you how to prepare potato cheese corn finger, which is in two versions. That is, one is baked and second one is deep fried. So let's go to my kitchen. If you like my video, please subscribe and comment down below. Thank you very much.
Now boil 180 ml of water and put 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now put 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now put 170 gram of rice flour. Then mix it well and cook it in very low flame. Now it is done. We have to keep it dry as it is. Put 5 tablespoons of water in semolina and soak it for some time. Mash those boiled potatoes with a hand blender, or you can use fork as well. Now let's add this rice powder which we cooked with the mashed potatoes. Now add the soaked semolina and mix it well. Now let's add a boiled corn. Now add a chopped onion and mix it very well. Now let's apply oil on the palm and start making small balls out of that mixture. We will make two different type. One is cheese stuffed one and another one is normal plain one. See this, now I made this beautiful ball shape, and then let's start filling with cheese, and slowly, carefully you have to close this. Now we are done, so let's cover it with a kitchen foil, or you can use kitchen towel to cover it, and keep it in the fridge for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, not in the freezer, a normal fridge compartment. In the meantime, you can prepare your baking pan. Put parchment paper or butter paper you call, or you can apply oil on it. Let's preheat the oven at 180 degree for 5 to 7 minutes. Now 10 minutes over, I removed the plate from the freeze, and let's place it on the baking pan. Let's apply butter on it so that it is very soft. Place the plate on the third rack and then bake for 15 minutes at 180 degree. Now in the meantime, we will just fry the remaining potato fingers. So heat the oil and start frying it. Fry it in medium flame till it's become golden brown. Fried potato cheese finger is done. Baking is done. Let's remove from the oven and check it.
Baking is done.
Now it's done, let's try it. The cheese just melts in your mouth. It's really tasty. Everything is perfect for me. The salt is perfect and it's really crunchy on the cover and inside it's really soft. Let's try this one. This doesn't have cheese, but still, it's really good. It's yummy with the mayonnaise. Let's try it with the sauce. It's even yummy with sauce too.
Try this baked one.
Oh,
This is cheese baked,
okay.
filling with cheese, and this is without cheese. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So here's the baked potato corn cheese fingers. Let's try it. It's kind of hot, so I'll try it with the spoon. It's yummy. It's really soft and this is a different type of potato corn cheese fingers. It's baked and it's really good. This one is without cheese. Let's dip it in the mayonnaise. Now let's try the cheese.